Welcome. If you want to start receiving notifications whenever your friends tag you on Facebook, you've code.me to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable notifications for Facebook tagging from friends on your PC using the latest update. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Facebook in your browser and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your homepage, you're ready to go. Now click on your profile photo in the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on your name to go to your profile. Next, to access your settings, click on the small downward arrow in the top right corner again. This will open another menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you find Notifications and click on it. This section is where you can manage all of your Facebook notifications. In the Notifications section, look for the Tags category. This is where Facebook controls your notifications for when someone tags you in a post or a photo. To enable notifications for tags from your friends, simply locate the Friends option under the Tags section. All you need to do is toggle the Friends option on. Once you do this, you'll start receiving notifications whenever one of your friends tags you in their posts or photos. It's that simple. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for Facebook tagging from your friends. Now, you'll be alerted whenever a friend mentions you on Facebook, keeping you in the loop without missing anything important. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your Facebook notifications. Thanks for watching.